Hello students, welcome to today's Expressive Arts session where we'll be looking at the first topic in the 7th grade, and this is drawing and coloring. Drawing and coloring. This topic is divided into 3 topics, 3 subtopics, and these 3 subtopics are color, imaginative composition, and of course getting figure drawings. Color, imaginative composition, and not forgetting figure drawings. And of course, we'll be exposed to some summary information and of course, assessments. So under this topic, we'll learn how to organize and develop artistic ideas and work, explain how the color wheel works, and of course, identify and name different types of color groups. Identify and name different color groups. So all those objectives will need to be attained by the end of this session. Without wasting much of our time, allow me to dive into what we already know. This is content that you and I have been exposed to. What I mean? Look at this. Question 1. How many primary colors are there? How many primary colors are there? If you know the answer, you raise your hand, and then we move together. How many colors? Yes, Benjamin?
6.
6 primary colors. Very good try, Benjamin. Try again.
3.
3. Okay, yes, they are 3 primary colors. That's correct. Number 2, what are the primary colors that we talked about? What are the 3 primary colors we were talking about? Can I have a different hand this time around? Different hand? Different. What are the primary colors that we talked about? What are the 3 primary colors we're talking about? Yes, Benjamin, hand is up once more. Yes, Ayla. Yes, Ayla. What is answer?
Red, yellow, blue.
Red, yellow, and blue. That's correct. The third
Red,
question,
yellow, blue.
that's correct. The third question reads, what are the secondary colors? What are the secondary colors on this list that we have here? Is it orange, green, red, orange, purple, green, violet, orange, blue? Which of these are secondary colors? Yes, Mubuka? Secondary colors? Mubuka, are you there?
Orange, purple, and green.
Orange, purple, and green. That's correct. Or sometimes you can replace purple with violet. Okay. Okay, now let's make it a bit different. Let's look at the color combination. Which color is missing? Like, which color can we mix with red to give us orange? Which color can we mix with red to give us orange? Benjamin?
Yellow.
Yellow. That's correct. So yellow mixed with red to give us orange. Next question, which color is missing? Which color can we mix with blue to give us green? Which color can we mix with blue to give us green? Benjamin, seem to be doing good with colors, eh? Ayla. Mabuka. Wait, you. Yes, Benjamin?
Yellow.
Yellow. That's correct. Yellow is the color that was missing. Number 6. Which color is missing? Blue plus red. What do we have? Blue plus red. What do we have? Yes, Mabuka? Okay, as Mabuka is still putting his answers together. Yes, Benjamin?
Purple.
Purple. I said sometimes you can replace purple with violet. So there we have it. That's correct. All right, all right, all right. Now let's get back to business. So color is one of the elements of art. And as we look at color theory, I would like us to first of all have a recap of what was there in the quiz, or what we discussed, or what the summary of the quiz is. So what are the 3 main groups of colors? You said we have primary colors where we have red, we have blue, and we have yellow. Then we also have secondary colors where we have purple, where we have green, where we have orange. All those colors put together. Please don't be surprised when you find a list of having green, purple, green, orange, and violet. It's also part of that. And then we have tertiary colors. These are colors that you get when you mix one a primary color as well as a secondary color. So we have red, orange, and yellow, orange, that kind of a combination. Then we have the color wheel. The color wheel is very important for us to know about it. And it shows the connection between colors and organizes these colors into groups. You don't just put colors anyhow. You need to see to it that these colors look good together. These colors blend well with each other. These colors suit the other. What do I mean? And before we go any further, did you know that another word for color is hue? So in this color wheel, we see many different hues. You can see primary colors on the color wheel, red, blue, yellow. And we can use these colors to make all other colors. We saw how colors were being made in the quiz. And the other thing that we can do is to look at secondary colors on the color wheel. Where we have purple, we have green, we have orange. The color wheel shows us which primary colors to mix to make secondary colors. Let's say, for instance, blue plus yellow plus green. Can you see which colors make purple or orange?
Yes.
Good. So that's about it. The secret is knowing how to mix the colors. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. Next, you can see tertiary colors on the color wheel. Green, yellow, yellow, orange, red, orange, red, purple, purple, blue, blue, green. All those tertiary colors are made by mixing primary color, like I said, and a secondary color. For instance, yellow, primary, orange, secondary. We have yellow, orange. That should be easy. If you come to the color wheel, you will see that the examples that we have given here, we have these ones that are remaining here: green, blue, purple. We have red, orange, yellow. Those ones are the 6 that will remain there. 3 primary, and we also have 3 secondary. We can also look at warm and cool colors. Oh, is that what you're talking about? Warm colors, how? Yes. Warm colors are red, yellow, orange. And colors, they are connected to in the color wheel. What then are the cool colors? Blue, green, purple, and of course, the colors that they are connected to in the color wheel. This line drawn here is like the boundary showing warm and cool colors. The color wheel looks like this. The color wheel looks like this. And like I mentioned earlier on, we mix colors to get our next set of colors. So we mix colors to get other colors. We can show how these colors relate to each other on the color. Well, why should we put them there? How do we describe the colors that are there? We call them complementary colors. Complementary colors are colors that are opposite sides on the color wheel. Complementary colors provide contrast in the work of art because of how different they are. One color makes the other color look brighter and more interesting. It's like here, we're talking about which color can I use? Red and green, orange and blue. Oh, it looks so good. Blue, my favorite color. Look at the birds and the plants in these pictures. Which colors do you see or do you think complement each other? I will start with the first one, the flower. The first flower. What two colors can you see there? You've seen the answer. The screen, you have it. You have access to the screen. You're able to see the pictures. And ask the question. I don't expect you to just be quiet and be looking at the screen. You see the colors, raise your hand and give me the answers. You are the three of you here, so each of you should give me an answer. Choose the one that you would like to give. So I'm starting with the first picture. Who is giving me for the first picture? What color, which colors do you think complement each other? Yes, Benjamin?
I see yellow, purple, and green.
Okay, those ones. Thank you so much. That's correct. B and C, which colors can you see? Now, I'm remaining with two individuals here, and each of those will need to give me an answer. Can I have one more for B? Who is giving me for B? Yes, Ayla, what two colors can you see there?
Yellow,
Uh-huh.
yellow and green,
Yellow and
and
green,
is that pink on the outside?
pink or red on the other side. Sweet opposite, red there. The last one obviously is from Buka. Buka, please tell us what colors can you see there?
Orange and blue.
It's very good. So we see that these colors look good together. They complement each other now. Having looked at that content, we have this exercise, which is here. We write down the complementary colors on the color wheel. Which color complements red? Which color complements green? Which color complements blue? Color or paint a picture using complementary colors. This are the assignments that you complete in the work you have in your class. Hue, value, and saturation. These are the three components of color which you need to understand. We've looked at what color is. We get now to look at how dark or how light the color is value. Then, how strong or faded is the color? That takes us to the next subtopic, monochromatic colors. Mono means one. Monochromatic colors are shades or tints of one color. We can add white to make the color lighter, it's a tint. We can add gray or black to a color to make it darker. Black, thinking about a shade. Look at this example. We're adding white, the tint is becoming lighter. We're adding black, it's becoming brown, the shade. I said monochromatic colors means shades or tints of one color. The shade you're talking about is a mixture of a color with black, then the tint is a mixture of a color with white. So artists use monochromatic shades and tints. In this case, they use blue to make this tint. So very good. Okay. Now, how do we make these monochromatic colors? There are steps that you can follow. In this case, we have been given 4 steps that we can follow. What is the first step, Benjamin?
Step 1. Draw a strip of blocks on which to show your color.
That's very good. Step 2, Ayla?
Paint the color you like in
Yes. Okay. Okay. I don't know if it's just me, Ayla. I was not able to hear you. Maybe if you can repeat that.
paint a color you like in the middle block.
Okay, that's very good. The third one, Mukuka?
Make lighter tint of the color. Add a little white to the color and paint each block to the left.
That's very good. I'm going to take the fourth step. Make darker shades of the color. Add a little black to the color each time and paint each block to the right. All right, class. That's how to make monochromatic color. Assessment time. Let's see how best you have managed to grasp the concept. Time to test your knowledge. Second assessment. Explain the meaning of the following terms: coloring, complementary colors, monochromatic colors. State the difference between tint and shade. Give any 3 examples of complementary colors. Give any 3 examples of complementary colors. And of course, not forgetting to see to it that you mention any 3 primary, 3 secondary, and 3 tertiary colors. So this is the second activity. Thank you so much. Your time. See you next time as we continue looking at the next topic, which is imaginative composition. Bye for now. Bye.